All right, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence beat making in this video. I'm really excited just because the development of technology over the past 3 to 5 years has been insane, especially in the artificial intelligence space, as I'm sure you're aware. But what's really cool is there are now applications that are generating music, and basically a computer is analyzing the music and then creating their own beats. So literally in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a beat in probably 5 seconds to 5 minutes, honestly. But it's going to be great because what you're going to be able to do if you're an artist, musician, or even if you're a beat maker, you're going to be able to use this to then go out and add to your music. So stay tuned and let's dive in. So let's dive in here. So first off, I just want to review the artificial intelligent music platforms that are currently available. My favorite one right now is actually Ecret Music, which is great, just because there's also literally a beat generator, which I'll show you here in a minute, that just allows you to go through and customize the track in real time. You can pick mood, scene, and everything. And it's also great for hip hop and especially lo-fi hip hop, just because a lot of these other programs, they'll have like, jazz, rock music, which is kind of great, but they're not fully all the way there, in my opinion, from a sound standpoint. So this is my favorite one. It's also $4.99 a month. It's super cheap, and you can even use it for video creation and podcasts and whatnot, so it's really great. The next one, just in case you're interested in this space, I would recommend checking out Amper. And then Ava. A lot of it is just like composition, scoring and whatnot, but it's actually really amazing that a computer is generating this music in real time. So with that being said, let me literally show you how to make a beat in under a minute using Ecret and just the process of what that will do. So as you can see here, we have our scene, mood, and genre. Since I'm a big hip hop fan, I'm just going to go to lo-fi hip hop. And then you can either pick the mood, which I think is really cool. Obviously, they're still developing and working on the platform because this is relatively new, but still I'm very excited for the future and where this is going to go. So I'm just going to select sad here for the mood, and then I'm going to click create, and literally under a minute, this is going to create a beat from scratch. So then, see, it just loaded up the beat here, and what you can do is you can change the melody, you can change the backing, you could even change the bass. What I predict is they're probably going to end up adding more to this, obviously, and you're going to be able to adjust the tracks a lot more. And I really hope eventually, they throw in vocals and just all this really cool kind of stuff that you can use to just edit to make your track amazing. Another really great feature about this is you can adjust the timestamp what you want and how long you want the track to be. So for example, if you want to make an Instagram story that's only 15 seconds and you just need audio to throw into your video real quick, you literally can come here, select the time, you can adjust what you want included in it, and then go from there. You can literally export it in a matter of minutes and then airdrop it to your phone and then throw it in your phone editor or content or whatever it is, and then you literally have music for an Instagram story. But the cool thing is, let's change this to like 2 minutes here. You can see the breaks. The tracks also, has breaks and transitions in the music, so it literally sounds like something you would normally produce. With that being said, let's hear what it sounds like. You can see the transition here. You can even slow down the tempo in real time. And then, yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much the gist of it. You literally can create tons of, just thousands of tracks, in an insane little amount of time, which is really incredible. You can also save your creations so you have them for later, which is great, so that you never, lose them. And it's literally only $4.99. This is by far the best AI music generator I've seen, and I'm really excited to use it. I highly recommend it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. if you have any questions, feel free to comment and subscribe and like below, obviously. And then my email is brendan@brendankennedy.co, and I look forward to hearing from you. All right, thanks so much.